Literary text. Yay.
Stage 1. Here is some lasagna of the menu for $10. There isn't any sushi in the restaurant because it is Italian. How much does the Napolitan pizza cost? How many desserts? Yes, there are there are some delicious pizza like margarita and cheese in your country. Is there any soda? Yes, it costs $4. There is in the margarita there are the water is how much do I do? There are some there is a lot of cinnamon. How many people him there much chocolate in the cenicero? There is some gelato for $9. Sorry. There are many people who love the campre salad. We have some free water of for you customers. There isn't any meat in the margarita pizza. How many flavors of gelato do you have? Yay! Stage 2. Introduction. Christmas is celebrated on December 25. Its origin is myth, as it comes with the winter solstice. Pagan origin with the birth of Jesus of Nazareth. Christian origin. Today, people around the world are celebrating this holiday in different ways. Even now, many people are preparing for the arrival of December to start these festivals. Significance. Christmas represents family unite and sharing key traditions include family reunions, gift exchange, and religious prayers. Families are gathering to share special moments. Chil- Children are hitting piñatas to get candies. People are giving presents to their loved one. Sorry, my perfect place. Last year, I traveled to Tampico with my parents and my brother. We arrived at the beach in the morning. We ate delicious tacos and a local food stand. After lunch, we walked around the city center. Suddenly, we got lost in the street for a while. We feel very tired at the end of the day. Next day, we need to Miramar Beach again. We swam in the ocean and played in the sand. For dinner, we ate some roasted chicken together. It was a simple trip, but I had a great time. Stage 4. Disaster chance. Disaster. Baggage. You should rest. You should learn to heavy work. Stomachache. You should take a pill. You shouldn't eat spicy food. Diabetes. You should excessive. You should eat healthy. Ads. You should see a doctor. You should get a checkup so and this doesn't get worse. Flu. You should have good hygiene. You should get vaccines. Fever. You should eat chicken soup. You should have some tea. Headache. You should get some sleep. You shouldn't be in noise place. Dosage. You should go to the dentist. You should put a ice pack on it. Soreto. You should eat cold food. You shouldn't strain your voice. Nosebleed. You should stay calm. You should put up your noise.